Truckbash was proud to be raising money for Midlands Air Ambulance Charity, an incredible service that brings life-saving emergency care directly to people when every second matters. The helicopters and critical care cars respond to the most serious incidents across the Midlands, giving patients the best possible chance when they need help most. The charity relies heavily on the kindness, fundraising, and support of the public, local businesses, and events like Truckbash